Wouldn't it be great if you could get paid to sign people up to Starlink? Well, now you can. They're rolling out this brand new referral program in the United States that will hand out monthly service credits to not only you, the referrer, but also the referee, any friends or family that you share your referral code with that make eligible purchases on Starlink.com. So this referral program isn't exactly new. It's been available in Australia and New Zealand for quite some time now, but it is brand new for the first time in the United States. There are some other countries as well where people are eligible to participate, including Mexico and Chile. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the referral program, letting you know how it works and some of the restrictions and caveats that you should know about before you participate. The first thing that you need to know is not everybody's eligible to participate yet. In the United States, it looks like they're sending out these referral invitations in batches. I haven't gotten one yet, but I've seen several people on social media share their screenshots of their referral email. So it seems like Starlink is sending out emails letting you know that you're eligible to participate. This email contains your unique referral link that you can share with friends and family. Also, you'll see a new page in the Starlink app. If you click on the profile icon in the upper right corner, you'll see a new referral page that shows you not only your referral link that you can share, but also the statistics for your own referral account, like how many people you have referred and how many credits you've received. So if you don't see that referral email or the link in your app, don't worry. Looks like they're rolling this out in batches, so you should be able to participate in the near future. All right, so how does this referral program work? How do you refer somebody to use Starlink to get a service credit? Well, it starts with that referral link. So it's a unique link to your Starlink account. You got to copy it from the email or from the Starlink app if your account's eligible to participate. Once you have that link, go ahead and share it with friends and family. If they click on that link, it'll direct them to Starlink.com where they can make a purchase. They have to buy a Starlink kit directly from Starlink.com through your link, and it has to be either a roam or residential order. We'll talk about a little bit more about that in the next section of the video. But anyway, once they make this eligible purchase, you'll receive an email letting you know that somebody has used your referral link to make an eligible purchase. In that email, it'll let you know that your service credit will be applied about 30 days after the initial activation of your friend's Starlink kit. If you are the referee, the person being invited to try Starlink, you will need to click on your friend's referral link, and you'll see a banner at the top of the page letting you know that you are using somebody's valid referral link. That'll give you confidence that you're actually using the right person's link to give them a credit for when you complete your purchase. Once you go through the order process, you'll get another email in addition to the confirmation email for the order, letting you know that you've successfully used a referral link to complete your order, and that after about 30 days from activation, you'll get a credit on your bill, but also your friend that referred you will get the credit on their bill as well. So the program has some important restrictions and caveats that you should know about. If you're in the United States, the big thing here is that the service credits that they're handing out are only applicable to residential subscriptions. So that means that the maximum value of the service credits in the United States are about $120. So if you refer a friend to Starlink and they buy the kit and do the checkout and everything, after 30 days from when they start up their Starlink account, their subscription, you're going to get a monthly service credit worth 1 month of residential service. And that credit will be applied to your next invoice. If you have a roam subscription and you give somebody your referral link and you live in the United States, you're not going to get anything for that. Those service credits cannot be applied to anything but a residential subscription. The other big restriction, which I had mentioned kind of before, is that referrals are only eligible on roam and residential subscriptions. So if your friend signs up, they need to buy either roam or residential. You're not going to get a referral credit for orders on like the business plans or mobile priority. Also, the people that you refer need to be brand new Starlink customers. You won't get a referral credit for orders placed on existing Starlink accounts. Even if that account or their subscription had been canceled or paused, your friend needs to sign up using a brand new email to create a brand new Starlink account. And finally, your referred friend must maintain an active subscription for at least 30 days after the initial activation date. So they can't just buy it and then immediately cancel their service. They have to pay at least the first month's bill 30 days has to pass by from that initial power on date of the dish, and then that service credit will be applied to their account and your account. After that, they're free to cancel if they wish. You just need to make sure that they are an active customer with an active subscription for at least 30 days after that initial power on date of the dish. All in all, I'm glad that Starlink has made this new referral program available to customers in the United States and other markets. It gives people a great incentive to advertise Starlink to their friends and family. And those service credits are worth quite a bit. In the United States, for a residential subscription, 1 month of service is worth about $120. So, if you refer a couple friends a year to Starlink, that's quite a bit of money in your pocket that you save on paying for your residential subscription. And obviously that helps out Starlink because they're trying to grow their residential subscriber base. Those residential subscribers are the ones who are paying, consistently month after month after month. Unlike, Roam subscribers who may only activate their service, a couple months out of the year. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this new referral program, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.